This is a nice e-bike right here. Looks pretty expensive, but there's one big issue with it. It's not the tires, it's the cable lock. That cable lock right there is worth about $5, maybe $10. It can be cut easily with a pair of wire clippers. So spend some money on a quality bike lock, because that's going to be stolen. That can be stolen in under 5 minutes. I'd say a professional 3 minutes. So yeah, unfortunately, yeah. So that's a bicycle costs about $1,500. You couldn't spend, $100 on a good bicycle lock.